Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I rise to support the bill as it proposes to amend the Constitution in a manner so that the most important and the urgent need of our people may be included in our Constitution as fundamental rights. Right to work is the essential condition of our existence as a human being. You know, sir, through work, man distinguishes himself from beast and develops his capability to be the master of his fate, control the nature, and build up the civilization. This power to work helps him to control the nature and to use it in his interest. He produces his bread and thus continues his existence. Without work, how can a man earn his livelihood? So, it is absolutely related to the question of his existence. But today, this existence of man is challenged in our country. The unending queue of unemployed people is increasing day by day. There is no security of his existence as he has no means of production at his disposal. In a developing country like ours, the unemployment problem is the most burning problem. We have no opportunity to work and no right to work. The number of unemployed people registered with the employment exchanges in our country is more than 1.5 crores. But this is not the real picture. There are more than 1.5 crores of unemployed in our country living in the cities and rural areas. In the rural areas, the uneducated masses of unemployed youth do not register their names with the employment exchange offices. The agricultural laborers, poor peasants from the bulk of the rural are unemployed. Besides, they do not get jobs for all the time throughout the year. More people are entering into cultivation on the same size of land, thus increasing the number of hidden unemployed people. The rural poor, such as agricultural laborer, bonded laborer, poor peasants, etc., are the major part of rural unemployed. With them, the other section of the small and middle peasantry and rural artisans are gradually losing their land and their small means of production. Sharecroppers are being evicted from the land, and day by day these people are getting more and more impoverished. The middle class people also are the most unfortunate victims of unemployment. Workers are thrown out of their jobs due to lockout, closure, and recession as such stop.